Hey guys, this is Priyanka Manigandan and I'm back with a new video. So today's topic is all about Tulsi plant. We're going to discuss about the benefits of having Tulsi plant inside the house. Let's get started. Holy basil or the queen of herbs is well known in almost every Indian household for its magical medicinal properties. This holy plant is mostly found in Hindu households. Hindu people worship this plant at their home for prosperous and peaceful life. Apart from this, the presence of the tulsi plant in the house is believed to bring happiness and wealth to the family. One will find tulsi in almost every Indian household. Also called Tulsi, people regard it as an earthly manifestation of goddess Tulsi, who was a great worshipper of the Lord Vishnu. Do you know what are the benefits of keeping Tulsi plant at home? Let's discuss about that. How to place them appropriately to achieve maximum advantages. So we're going to cover this as well. According to Vastu, the eastern side of a house is the perfect location for placing a tulsi plant. And if there is no place to keep it there, find at least a window or balcony space in the northeast direction of the house. Remember to keep the tulsi plant on the platform at home, which is higher than the base of your house. It is important to remain in harmony with the basic Vastu rules, that is, you need to keep the tulsi plant in the clean condition. The areas surrounding the plant should be open enough and there must be no any coverings such as mops, clutter, brooms, etc. Vastu suggests keeping tulsi plant in odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, etc. If you have the hobby of gardening, don't put the tulsi plant nearby ant thorny species of plants like cactus. Apart from its numerous religious influences among the Hindus, this holy plant has the ability to offer strong immunity and fights viral and bacterial infections. Helps to beat stress. According to the research results published in Ayurvedic journals, keeping tulsi plant at home can help you beat stress, keeps mosquitoes away. A tulsi or basil plant is a mosquito repellent. Various journal stories on malaria says that this plant can successfully keep mosquitoes and other insects away from your home, maintains clean and fresh air. So it can encourage the oxygen supply in there. This plant is able to offer 20 hours oxygen supply every day. It absorbs toxic gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. from the air. Offers fresh aroma. Keeping the tulsi plant inside your house or room, you are offered with the pleasant aroma of it, which effectively keeps the surrounding fresh. Tulsi plant can also offer good mood. Keeping all this in mind, I just hope you guys will keep tulsi plant at home, um, and you're going to enjoy the benefits of having tulsi plant at home. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.